Check our shifting. So usually you turn that in about a half a turn on almost every bike I do. The chain tension on these bikes will adjust automatically as you change the gear. As it gets on the taller sprocket, it's compensating by moving the derailleur forward and back.
And then when we're first putting this together, what are we looking for in terms of making sure the chain tension is where it's supposed to be?
The chain tension is usually okay, and the chain alignment we also want to check as well. When we go through the gears, we want to make sure that it hits every gear nice and smooth and comes back to its final point when you stop here and it's not too far forward, making the chain hit the frame, scratching the paint. On the derailleur, you want to make sure that it's straight, not bent to the left or right during shipping. Okay, I see them bent a lot in, or there will be a guard that will be bent into it and will not allow it to shift. The cassette should be nice and round and smooth, and when we go through the gears, it should go through them and back effortlessly with very little noise. That's what we're looking for. You don't spend much time on that big sprocket. Most of your riding is done on that small sprocket right there. And then you might shift up in these 3 gears here, and most of your riding right there.